let's continue yung book of John Gray. What your mother couldn't tell you and your father didn't know. So still about relationship. So relationship and stress reduction. Friend, ayan, di ba? Kasi part of life is encountering stress. So sabi niya, as I learned to direct my attention to the relationship, not only was my wife happier, si Sir John Gray, but I could also relax more quickly from work. So parang ang advice ni Sir Jack is let's also give attention to our family, to our relationship, to our wife, to our children. Hindi lang puro work. Kasi when there's stress sa work and there's stress sa house, kumbaga na-aggravate yung stress kasi na-stress ka na sa work. And then you are still stressed sa family. So but if you go home and focus on the family, so parang feeling ng wife mo, appreciated siya or your partner. Rather than na pagdating mo sa house, you bring the stress of work, na-combine na siya. So, learning to appreciate your wife at home when you get home and leave your problems of work at work, then it will be more stress-free or stress-reduced. Sabi nga, no, he again feels that pressures of work. He doesn't know what if he continuously redirect his energy into the relationship. He could more forget these pressures and be more energized at home. He doesn't realize that he could forget work and focus more on his wife's needs and feel her appreciations. In response, he would feel less stress and have more energy. So yan, parang we have to give time and focus sa family rin. Our wife, our husband, and children. Hindi lang puro work. So that we will be relaxed at home and not bring the stress of work and then the stress of home together. So sabi niya, yung kanyang wife was happy and enormous appreciative. For a modern woman to feel that much appreciation, she needs her partner to focus directly on her emotional needs. So balance po, family and work. So work is important, there's no question about that. But yung family natin kasi when they are happy, when we have harmonious relationship, di ba nakaka-contribute din sa inspiration natin sa work natin. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.